Hey guys, Gecko Guy here. So here's going to be my review on the world's cheapest ultra micro 3-channel helicopter. So this is from Banggood.com. You can get this for about 10 bucks, and it is fully capable of throttle, forward, back, right, and left. It is infrared, so there's three little lights, or three little LEDs up front there. You got an A and B channel, you've got on and off. And let me just show you a little bit. I think it's searching right now for a helicopter. But the lights on this are not too terribly crisp. Wish they were a little nicer. Also, these little knobs right here that you saw on the front, if I can get them off and actually onto the helicopter. Oop, come here. They are for thumbsticks. Cool thing is about the throttle is it is not spring loaded, it's free floating, so that's very nice. Okay, the heli itself charges off of the transmitter, so there we go. Then the LED should turn green once it's charging. Actually, here we go, it's charging right now, but it is very hard to tell if it's charging or not. See what I mean with the LEDs aren't too terribly clear. But now that it is on, why don't I turn the heli on? Why don't we get a nice close-up view of this helicopter as well. But the cool feature I do like, you can store it in here, so it's very good to take onto campus. Take it with you, put it in your pocket, book bag, whatever. But there we are, you get a nice idea of how small this helicopter is, and here I am just recording off of my Galaxy Note here. And why don't I show you? It's actually just about as thick as my phone, but many times as thick, but it's still doable for cargo pants. But I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below if you actually bought one after seeing this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to enjoy this flight footage.